Hello to all of you. Which of you are manually texting on Instagram to reach customers? This is a video for you, and remember, watch all this video. I will guide you. We'll be able to manage multiple Instagram accounts to maybe text automatically to more accounts. I don't have to do it manually anymore. And now I'm going to go into the guide. First, you will have to have an Instagram account. Many have. We're going to have a lot of Instagram accounts here. If you want more, you can buy it. Next, we will find the account we want to send this to. The software will have features. Scan customer data raw. And we're going to scan the ones customer data, by the way. Well, the function here is like scanning followers or scanning people by keywords. Mill it. After that we get the data that's ID already used. We will copy the name of this user. Then go to the automated messaging section. There will be an installation here. We'll start the installation to the link filling account here. We'll be able to paste the account's user here. That's what we just scanned. Then set the number of concurrent threads to 12. Set the user number to 10. Message time is 30 seconds to 50 seconds. Then text Theo. Where is the content article? I will write here. Then I'll stay. And we'll integrate the extra features. After the installation is completed, we can select a running account. Let's see how the software works. Thank you for following the video. If you want to be interested in software, it could be a text message, WhatsApp or Telegram for me.